Hi guys, I want to show you today how we can use Facebook login with Flutter and Firebase Auth, Firebase Authentication. Okay, firstly I will make a new terminal and cd desktop / Flutter and Flutter create organization com.login. Okay, and project name Facebook and Facebook login for my Flutter folder and press enter. Okay, I am waiting to create my Flutter project. Okay, after the created my project, I am going to open it with open folder with VS Code, and there is Facebook login, and open it. And I will use three packages. Okay, there is firstly Firebase Auth. Okay, I am copied it and add to my pubspec.yaml folder, and after this I am going to add Firebase Auth buttons because I want to continue with Facebook. Just this. Okay, Flutter Auth buttons and add it. And finally, the last thing is Facebook login package, Flutter Facebook login. And save this. After this, I am going to my Firebase Console and add my project, create a new project. I say create a new project, and there is my project name. I want to name it with Flutter Facebook, and I say create my project. This in Turkish language. It says your project is creating, and okay, my project is created, ready to use. Okay, I want to add my first in my Android project. I say com.login com Facebook, because there is my on Android folder. I can see it in my build.gradle file. You see com.login.facebook. This is my application ID. I add it, and Android app. We will use this after, because we will use Auth when we use with Google. If not, we don't have to use this, so we won't use this, because we will log in only with Facebook. I say save my application, and I should download this Google services.json file, and I will you see there is app folder. This is my app folder. I will drag and drop it in it. Okay, you see, but it's going to source folder. I say move it, but oh sorry, there is problem. I should rename it, because there is one, and I say rename it and delete this. Okay, the name should be Google services.json, and I close it. After this, I'm going to after I should after all of this to my project, it say the project build Gradle. I'll add this under the dependencies. Okay, I'm copy it and going to open Android project, and there is a build Gradle, and there is a dependencies, and I passed it here, and I am going to it say under the project there is app model. In the app model build.gradle, and copy this. I am copied. Okay, I copied it, and I'm going to under app folder there is build.gradle file, and there is dependencies. You see, just paste it, and I'm copy this, and I will paste is here and save all of them. At this I say next and skip this step. Okay, there is my Android app, and I say add another application. I click it, and I want to add iOS app, and the same name, same application ID. I just copy it and say iOS app and save my application. Okay, I will download Google service info.plist. Okay, I downloaded it, but it say there is an important point. If I drag and drop it in my application folder directly from VS Code, it will be a problem. I should make this in Xcode application. So I am going to runner and say reveal in Finder, and double click on the runner Xcode workspace. Okay, it's opened. I see here runner. This is my application folder. You see info list. I will drag and drop here. Just drop it and copy items if need. Be careful, it should be checked, and I say finish. Okay, it's okay. I close Xcode, finish its job, and I say next and next and next and skip this step. Okay, I add my application to my Firebase project. I'm going to this authentication. You see, how can I make this in English language, but not problem. There is authentication login methods. You see there's email, password, mobile phone, Google, and Facebook and Twitter and GitHub or anonym. I will use Facebook, and I am click this. You see in this step I should go to the Facebook and take my application ID and my application secret key, and I will copy this and pass to my Facebook application. Okay, I'm going to Facebook developer. You see developers.facebook.com. Go there and open it, login it with your Facebook account. After this, you see there's my apps. I want to add a new app. I see, please Flutter login app. Okay, create app ID. I say I am not a robot. Okay, fire. Okay. Submit. Okay, created my app on my Facebook developer console. I want to integrate Facebook login to my application. I say this and confirm. After this, my application settings is basic settings. I have to use privacy policy URL. Okay, I want to use my flutter.com/ in Turkish language. This is okay. Okay, it's not important. I can use only this. Okay, it's not problem. I will copy this and should paste is. It's not. There is gizlilik. Okay, in Turkish language this is. We should. This is privacy policy, but it's not have to real URL. And after this, I should select a category for my application. I say it's educational app. Okay, and after this, I save change. I saved change, and when I click on the Auth and say make it public, make app public, I can see my app secret key. I say confirm this. Okay, this is my app ID. I copied it and going to my Facebook application and I say this is my app ID, and app secret ID I should confirm it with my password, and I copy this and paste it here, and I am copy this. Okay, I copy it, and I'm going to there is Facebook login. Okay, you see settings. I should valid auth redirect URIs, and I say valid auth redirect auths and add it. You see, and okay, I say maybe there is, and I will copy it here. Sorry, not here. Okay, not problem. I don't use only there is. I save change. Okay, all of thing is good, and I say quick start. I want to add to my Android application. It's not important. I say next, and package name, my package name. Okay, I say save this. There is no job in the Flutter Facebook on the Firebase Console. Not any job. And I am going to Flutter login here. Read me. There is something I should do it, but before this I should copy this to go to the Facebook and say okay dot main activity and save this. Okay, say continue, and it want to me I want to copy code, generate a development key hash. I'm going to terminal and paste it and enter. Okay, I want to say 1 2 3 4, and there is my hash k. I copy it and paste it here. Okay, and save and continue, and enable single sign in. Okay, if you want you can enable. It's not important, and next, and there is all of that is important. Please copy this. Okay, and going to Android app, and you see source and resource, and there is values, and but there is not strings.xml. You see it say paste it in strings xmls. So I will create new file, strings.xml, and paste it here. And after this, I want to copy this. Okay, I copied this, and going to my VS Code and open Android manifest.xml file, and under application you see, and paste here. Okay, it's okay. And I say you can use this internet permission, but also it's existing. Okay, it exists, and I say next. Okay, next. It's for native Android, so we don't need use it. Okay, all of my job is finished, so I can use it now. But there is some job for my Flutter application, because I didn't begin to code my Flutter application. I just did integration between Firebase and Facebook with my application. Okay, this lesson is enough. I will code my Flutter application in the next lesson. Please subscribe my channel if you want to don't miss other Flutter tutorial. Thank you for watching.